Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. I-Kaizer Chiefs iyadlala kusasa bafethu, idlala i-CAF Confederations Cup i-second leg. They have to fight back-ke bafethu. Umgodi wokucasha awukho ngempela, they have to win. And then next week-ke ngeyi-5 October badlala eCape Town neStellenbosch, Carling Black Label, i-knockout. Can they beat them again? Asazi, but asingeneni kuyo phakathi bafethu, singayikhi phezulu. Sichaze kahle ukuthi what to expect ku-CAF Confederations Cup naku-Carling Knockout, nanokuthi team up ama-player angaba influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs. Soqala ngale, sibonile i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu laphana first leg i-Angola bayishaya 1-0, poor defending from bona ukuthi ba-concede lela goal easy like that. I mean, it was frustrating obviously Angola because they didn't really float ukuthi ba-create ama-chances amaningi, ama-clear chance opportunities bekubonakala ngathi badlalela i-draw laphana. I mean, they were let down ngoba ile team le ikwazile ukukora and bahlulekile ukudila nalo muntu lo dlala e-right wing bafowethu, bekahambela bekazenzela laphana. Sithembe ukuthi bazokwazi ukumenzela iplan because umuntu ohlakaniphile ngempela, o-serious ngempela bafowethu. He can take players on, une-strength, he can cut, he can even shoot. So kuzoba nzima kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke khona ama-player e-Kaizer Chiefs esingawabheka ukuthi potentially-ke angakwazi to carry Kaizer Chiefs to greater heights ukuthi bakwazi ukuwina. But Kaizer Chiefs kuzoba nzima kakhulu bafowethu because kumele bakore 2 goals njengoba le team ina-1, bona kumele bashaye 1 yoku-equalizer then bashaye lesi-2 lokuwina. But le team makungenzeka ikore, izinto sezishintshile ngempela because manje le team ine-away goal, izobashaya nge-away goal. Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele iwine 2-0, 3-1, 4-2 if bayayikora, or nje iwine boma 3-0 ishaye amagoli amaningi, imake sure ukuthi le team lena ayikori. Yeah, I think the team lena they will be looking to defend obviously more, but i-home ground advantage for i-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to get it by all means necessary ukuthi benze konke okusemandleni wabo ukuthi bawathole ngempela ama-points overall. Basend i-statement ku-Africa, e-Africa as a whole bafowethu ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ibuyile and they are serious about competing on the continental level. Siyazi ukuthi for the past 3 games, there's 3 games now, yes, abakawini at all bafowethu. And not even 3 games, because if you can track back, since from igame iMamelodi Sundowns badrawa, bashawa iSikhukhune, bashawa i-Angola, bahlulwa iMarumo Gallants. Kusho ukuthi manje sesina bana how many games is it overall this season? Amagame abangawawinanga ayi-4, yes, ayi-4 after ukuqala kahle kakhulu ukuthi bawine first 3 games and then badrawe les-4, bawine le enye, but banamagame awu-4 overall abangakawawini this season. Ama-defeat-ke aloku ayakhuphuka, but asibheke ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu angaba highly influential. Yeah, ku-midfielder bazodlalisa abantu. Siyazi ukuthi uMthethwa bayamthanda these days nge-aggression yakhe ukuthi angastopa i-physicality yalawa ama-player wase-Angola overall. But yeah, uMthethwa kumele improve i-passing range yakhe bafethu. uMthethwa angawina ibhola kayi-10 egamini aphinde alibuyisele kuma-opponents, so kumele improve kuleyo department leyo. I-presence yakhe is almost there, i-presence yakhe iyabonakala, but win the ball and make the right decision, make the right pass. It's not gonna be easy. Le team lena izozama uku-waste isikhathi, obviously siyazi bafowethu physical presence yabo siyabazi ukuthi banjani, sibabonile, but akusiside eli-special leli bafethu elinganika i-Kaizer Chiefs inkinga that much. Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukushaya 3 goals at home. They have to play to attack from the first whistle, baye ngathi vele i-knockout, baye all out. If they concede, they concede, but-ke emuva kumele bazame ngempela ukuvala. Angisho ukuthi badlale ngama-defender amaningi, but-ke i-firepower yabo laphana, i-main power abanayo phambili, if kumele bafake wonke ama-guns wabo, abafake bonke abafana laphana, bazame balwele nje ukuthi bashaye 3 goals bona. And then-ke sobona ukuthi bazokwazi ukuprogressa, but yeah, it's gonna be an interesting one e-FNB Stadium kusasa. And then-ke the following week bazodlala ne-Stellenbosch bafowethu. It's not gonna be an easy game because siyazi ukuthi i-Stellenbosch njalo mekudlalwa ne-Kaizer Chiefs siyalwa. And i-Stellenbosch, in fact, it's not even about Kaizer Chiefs. i-Stellenbosch siyalwa njalo, and i-Stellenbosch asikaqali kahle i-season. Kuma-cup games normally-ke i-Stellenbosch senza kahle kakhulu, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ijwayele-ke ukushaya i-Stellenbosch. So i-Stellenbosch, they don't give i-Kaizer Chiefs a problem at all. So kusho ukuthi i-focus-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi baphinde babashaye because they opened the league ne-Stellenbosch laphana e-Cape Town babashaye. So I mean i-Spice obvious i-fixture cause i-cup game i-different. I-Stellenbosch bafuna i-revenge. Bafuna uku-make sure ukuthi ba-approve i-point ukuthi it was a fluke ukuthi babashaye first game. Ngiyakhumbula first game bafowethu ukuthi Stellenbosch sasi-attack-a kangakanani, uPeterson washaya ama-good saves, I think ayi-3 or so. O-Titus babefikile lapha babengadlali abafana. I-Stellenbosch njengoba ngisho bafethu akusi-easy side ukudila nayo. Baya-pressa high, transition ba-quick, bane-fire power laphana phambili obvious. Titus, uDe Jong lo bekafuna i-Orlando Pirates manje. U-add intelligence yakhe ukuthi uyi-striker but-ke he can also operate as a-second striker, alande ibhola laphana ku-midfielder, is comfortable on the ball, uyakwazi ukudlala nama-teammates wakhe. I-player ngempela leli lingaba highly influential overall for i-Stellenbosch. But for i-Kaizer Chiefs i-opportunity ngempela yokuthi ba-make sure ukuthi bayakompitha ku-culling knockout, baba nama-realistic chances ngempela yokuyiwina le trophy lena. Ama-fans obviously are-desperate we-Kaizer Chiefs, are-hungry ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs yenze kahle. I mean uPeterson ukhulume ngendaba yokuthi they can build from what they won last season, which was the Nedbank Cup. So they are going for every cup on offer abazozama ukukhompitha. They're gonna take one game at the time. So it's gonna be very, very important for Kaizer Chiefs to perform well and get ama-results. UPeterson uyi-goalkeeper obvious bafethu, currently number 1 goalkeeper ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Obviously-ke iform yakhe seyehlile kancane compared to the first 5 games of the season la ngaconsider ngakhona. Manje-ke sebayamkora almost every game bazomkora. But yeah, amanye ama-player angabhekwa laphana bafethu bangaba highly influential for i-Kaizer Chiefs, anga-dictate izinto. USirino if he comes to the party angakwazi ngempela ukuba i-different maker. uLilepo ayekele lento yakhe yokushaya kude, adlalele uku-assist ama-teammate wakhe because uLilepo une-pace, une-aggression, uyakwazi ukuya phambili, uyakwazi ukufosta ama-mistake from ama-defenders, but inkinga yakhe ucabanga nje ukushaya yena kuphela. So iplayer elinjani leli ngempela cause dlalisa ama-teammate wakho. I don't know if uDupreez uzoba right for le game lena, i-pace yakhe, i-energy yakhe, cause as much as ane-pace but akana-aggression, ubonakale weak, akusiyi-player ongabheja ngalo ukuthi yazini leli lizodeliver ngempela. That is why I was like, I think Ighodaro for i-Kaizer Chiefs could be perfect kulama match lawa so because unesi-strike esine-physique esingakwazi ukulwa nama-defense or nama-defenders wase-Africa. But Ighodaro akaka-recover kahle, i-fitness level yakhe ayikakafiki lapho. I don't think they can risk him. But yeah, we just have to wait and see sikwazi sibukele i-match, sibone ukuthi i-match izohamba kanjani, izophela kanjani, amajita azozimisela kanjani, nanokuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs izokwazi ukudeliver na against ilo team yase-Angola, i-Cabo Scope, and then against i-Stellenbosch. For i-Stellenbosch-ke sine-firepower, isi-unpredictable, si-direct, siyawathanda ama-big stage, ama-cup games even more. So I mean if bangakwazi i-Kaizer Chiefs if izokwazi ukuwina kusasa, ishaye le team le yase-Angola, i-Cabo Scope, I mean indlela yabo-ke ku-CAF Confederations Cup kuzobonakala ukuthi okay, they are able to concede goals or to lose away but at home abalose. Kumele ba-make sure ukuthi they don't lose at home. In fact kusasa akumelanga ba-concede at home. Leyo nto leyo izobuild i-belief ngempela ukuthi bangaya e-Africa ba-compete at all. And futhi ukushaya i-Stellenbosch and then kuzoletha amathemba ngempela ukuthi okay, if bayakwazi ukushaya i-Stellenbosch kusho ukuthi bangakwazi ukushaya namanye ama-team ku-cup competition because cup competition i-different from i-league. Cup competition udlala ama-match awu-4 so uwinile. I-round of 16, i-last 8, i-semi-final, i-final, iphelile i-competition. 4 games done, so ama-champions. And enye into engaba-motivate ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi kune-100,000, yes, kune-100,000 i-man of the match overall, so they have to be motivated. But asiyivale la bafowethu. Kaizer Chiefs they are facing obviously i-test e-serious ku-CAF. I-mission yabo ukuthi they have to come back and score amagoli azobuya kubani asazi, only time will tell kusasa bafowethu. And then-ke kune-match against i-Stellies engeke ibe lula overall. So bona ukuthi bazomisa kanjani. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. It's making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers.